Tajik folktale, The Fox and the Grapes. One day, a hungry fox wandered into a green garden and saw a grapevine covered with ripe and tempting grapes. The clusters hung high, and their sight seemed to light up her eyes. The fox really wanted to eat those grapes. She jumped up then again, and once more she leapt. But no matter how hard she tried, she couldn't reach the grapes. After several minutes of trying and struggling, the fox grew tired and upset. And she said to herself in annoyance,
These grapes aren't ripe yet. They're sour. Even if I got them and ate them, I'd get sick.
And she walked away proudly, as if she never wanted the grapes at all.
The tale is finally and completely over, at last. What conclusion did you draw?